We will solve the exponential equation by turning it into a quadratic, then solving and back substituting. Step 1. Write the original equation. Notice that 2 to the 2x equals the square of 2 to the x. Step 2. Use substitution. Let y equal 2 to the x. Then the equation becomes y squared minus y equals 12. Step 3. Move everything to one side to get standard quadratic form. Subtract 12 from both sides. Step 4. Factor the quadratic. We need two numbers whose product is -12 and whose sum is -1. Those numbers are -4 and +3. Step 5. Set each factor equal to 0 and solve for y. From y minus 4 equals 0, y equals 4. From y plus 3 equals 0, y equals -3. Step 6. Reject extraneous values. Since 2 to the x is always positive, y cannot be -3. Step 7. Back substitute. Y equals 4 to solve for x. 2 to the x equals 4. Write 4 as 2 squared. Therefore, x equals 2. Final answer, 2.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MuyVerse Maths.